Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Group of Seven, representing some of the world's leading economies, is still figuring out how to execute a plan agreed on in September to pay only cut-rate prices for Russian oil, and the December the 5th deadline to marshal participants is fast approaching. Hurricane Ian made landfall on the west coast of Florida and moved into South Carolina, with projected damages set to rank the storm among the top 10 costliest in the country's history. That's forced major port and rail facilities across the region to halt operations, further straining supply chains. Friday's US jobs report is projected to show a labour market at cruising speed in September, with more moderate but still healthy payrolls growth that's likely to keep the Federal Reserve pumping hard on the monetary policy brakes. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dropped 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dropped 2.4% in the last session, after rising as much as 1% during the session. The ROC's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The US ISM manufacturing PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT. Japan's Tokyo CPI at 2330 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 0 hours GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of Manufacturing Index will be released at 21:30 GMT. The Dutch Market Manufacturing PMI at 0700 hours GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 1400 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.